Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about 10 best websites to make money in 2022. If you are still struggling to make money online or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's get started with today's video without wasting too much of your time. So in this video, I will show you the top 10 websites I use to make money online. I think you can make between 2,000 US dollars and 3,000 US dollars every single month. So if you're ready and want to learn more about how to make 2,000 to 3,000 US dollars a month, this video is for you. So keep watching. In this video, I will say that I will show you how to start your own freelance business on Fiverr or Upwork. I try almost 100 times on each platform, but I always fail. Too much competition is the main reason. No doubt still some people make between 60,000 US dollars and 700,000 US dollars a year just from these websites. Now let's get right down to business. Don't forget that I also make a good amount of money every month, and the list for the 10 best websites to work from home and make money online in 2022. 1. Medium.com. It is a free blogging marketplace. 2. Udemy, a courses publishing platform. 3. Amazon affiliate marketing. 4. Payhip, an ebook publishing website. 5. Vocal Media, a free blogging platform. 6. Warrior Class, affiliate marketing website. 7. Impact, large affiliate networks. 8. YouTube, which we all know to be a video sharing platform. 9. Facebook, e-stream, and monetization. And the last on our list, Etsy. Become a seller, sell your things online, and make money. So here's a list of the top 10 websites to make money online in 2022 that I told you about. Now it's up to you to choose the best one for you and your career. Don't waste any time though. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. If you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure to watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.